I chose LBC because I like Conan. He was very approachable, very honest, and their pricing was very competitive. Yeah, hi there, I'm Robert Joseph, and I've actually used LBC a couple of times over the last few years, and this time they jet washed the front drive for us and resanded it, and they also did the same with regards to the patio at the back, so made it all nice and clean. Well, having used them before, I was obviously keen to use them again. Over the last couple of years when the driveway got a lot dirtier, as did the patio. They most definitely exceeded our expectations. The driveway looks like new and the patio has come up as if it was laid yesterday. The guys were great, the job was fantastic, and I would definitely recommend them to friends and family. I already have, and I will continue to when they ask if they know anybody who can clean driveways and patios.